Hello, this time I will solve a finance question. I will show finance app on Nspire. Our question contains compound interest and loans. Pay attention to the first sentence. It is given dark. So some of the answers will be asked for nearest dollar. So for that one, I suggest you to change your calculator settings to float 5. And let's start with the first part. I like to put annotations on the question. We are given the present value, interest rate, and compounding period. Investment is for 2 years. We need to find the future value. When you press the battery sign, you can access the document settings and decide the floatings. Option 8 is finance. We'll be using the first one. We know N, interest rate, and just leave the number part here. Don't try to convert to decimal. Okay, that part is important. Present value and future value must be in opposite signs. So when I deposit money to bank, so I'm giving the money, so I like to make it negative. So whenever I do payments or present value to deposit to bank, I make it minus. Press tab, go to future value, and when you press enter, you will see the answer. If you press tab once more, you will see your answer in 5 floating points. One important thing here, when you change payment per year, compounding period will be updated automatically. So if the payment per year and compounding periods are different in the question, pay extra attention here. Now, second question gives us the future value, and we need to find the M months. So our calculator will provide us N, that will be in years. We will multiply it by 12. Future value is 50,000. You can press Shift tab to go back and press enter, and that is in years. Okay, nice cool trick. If you press variables, all of them will be stored as a variable. So you can just recall N from there and multiply it by 12. So the answer is 57. It must be presented as an integer. The rest of the question is about loans. So it's only for application students. Analysis students, you can stop here. So we need to find the loan. It's a write down. Pay attention on the comment terms and the points. So don't spend extra times. So loan is for N years. Compounding period is 12. There will be monthly payments. So PPY is also 12. And the payment amount is 1700. Since the payment is monthly, so we need to multiply N by 12. Question is about the amount of interest. So first we need to find the future value and subtract it from the amount of loan, which is the present value. And the second part is asking for annual interest rate. So loan amount is 10 months, monthly payments, so times 12 times 1700. So total amount will be paid is 204,000. If you find the difference, it will be the interest you pay to the bank. For the second section, we will go to Finance app again. N is number of payments, so it's supposed to be 10 times 12. We will find the interest rate later. The present value, the money that we borrowed is 150,000. And we are paying money to bank, so payment will be minus. Future value will be 0. Payment per year is 12 and compounding period is also 12. Highlight I, press enter. So you'll be finding the corresponding annual interest rate. And for part E, Daisy decides to pay the remainder of the payment, but she already made 60 payments so far. So we will find the remaining amount, which is the future value. Go to Finance app N is 60. We will go to future value and press enter. So it is the remaining amount that Daisy will pay as the final payment. Let's read the second part carefully. So Daisy already made 60 payments of 1700. In addition to this, she is paying a final amount. So of course, payment is done in 5 years rather than 10 years. So interest rate will be lower than the previous one. So the blue amount is the second option. The red amount is the first option. So we just need to find their difference. Press variable and the future value. Then that is the final payment. Daisy already made 60 payments. Multiplied by 1700. Add the final amount. That is the cost of the loan for the second option. If we just find the difference between two options, we will see how much Daisy saved with the second option. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.